Hello and welcome to my product research course. In this course, we're going to be going over the best tactics I've discovered to find best-selling products over and over again. If you know how to make your products work, then you don't need to be following every single tips and tricks video and trying to figure out all the little hints that you can get to get good selling products. You won't have to chase other people's products because you'll know how to find them yourself. In this course, we're going to focus on product research because that's all you really need to know if you're retail dropshipping. In the product research course, we're going to be going over what is product research. I'm not just going to give you a normal definition of that. We're going to be diving into what it means, why it's important, how it can make you win, when to do it, and who should do it. If you haven't figured that out, it's you. You should do it. Of course, we're going to be going over how to find winning products. In this module, we're going to be going over the tactics, testing and profiting all at once, rinse, repeat, build, seasonality, price ranges, scroll stoppers, and titles. By far one of the most important modules I think will be module number 3, which is the easy mistakes to avoid. And I think this is going to be the most important module, even more than how to find winning products, because it'll be easy to apply the opposite of the mistakes that I show you. Out of the mistakes to avoid, we're going to be covering how all beginners mess up. The 3 categories to never sell in. The best seller's death spiral. How movers and shakers deceives you. Navigating copyrighted products, which I know you all need. Should you use variations? Policy problem. Consumables. And being boring. In module 4, we're going to be diving into the impulse buyer. And this gets its whole own module because this is the key to product research. There's going to be an intro, of course, we need an intro. Then we're going to go over the appeal, the price, the quantity, the wow factor, and the SEO, which is search engine optimization. At the end of the course, after you've learned all these key pieces, we're going to be doing 3 product breakdowns of products that I've made thousands and thousands of dollars on, and that continue to make me money to this day. On one of the products, it's going to be my favorite type of product and the product that I think is an example of a winner over and over again. Then I'm going to be breaking down a seasonal product that sells for me every single year. Product number 3 is going to be an evergreen product, kind of similar to product number 1, but with less volatility, and it sells consistently throughout the year. At the end of the course, you're going to know how to find products. You're going to know what products look good, what products to easily avoid. You won't even question if you should or shouldn't try to sell this product. And you're going to learn that when you find winning products, there is a way for you to repeat success over and over again. So welcome to the course. Join me in module 1 and we'll get started.